Hey, what's up guys? This is Mail Knight and I'll be doing Rarity Collection 2 unboxing. So, this box, first of all, is amazing how the packaging is, so I'm very proud of how much compact this set is, the box wise. So I really like how it is, so definitely is worth. If you want to looking for chase cards, definitely the IP Masquerena Alternate Art Quarter Century Secret, and I think that's the number one pull, um, or number one chase cards. So if you're looking for just a quarter century, you pretty much um, in a good road here. So hopefully I'll pull any quarter century secret rare here. So let's do it, baby. All right. And don't forget that I do stream on my Twitch channel to talk about Yu-Gi-Oh related stuff. So if you want to check it out and just join the chat for any Yu-Gi-Oh related talk, go ahead and just join and follow me there. So let's do it. Yeah, this is pretty nice packaging actually. It's a lot more compact. It just pretty much, I think there's only 18 packs, but normally like 24 packs, but hey, you get pretty much what you get. So, all right. I'll start off with one pack and let's go. Whoa, a little bit hard to open, but it's all right. And yeah, you do get pretty much every rarity as you did in the first rarity collection. So I'm pretty excited about that. So we have the Soul and Luna. We have the Crossout Designator. Wow, that's pretty cool. They did the first time it was the secret rare version or prismatic secret rare, I believe. But yeah, in super rare, it's actually pretty nice. We have the Preparation of Rites in ultra rare. Nice. We have the Red Eyes Dark Dragoon in ultra rare. Did they have this reprinted once? I think twice. But that's pretty cool. Alright, and I believe another ultra rare. And then it's gonna be a different rarity, I believe, after this. It's got the Albert, the Jester of Despia. We have the Purely. Wow. That's pretty cool. No pun intended. But yeah, I like it. That's pretty nice. Alright, what else we got? Oh! Oh, this is oh, this is a quarter century. Yes. Woo, baby. We have the emergency teleport. It looks amazing. You can see it, the 25th anniversary on the bottom of the text. That is pretty cool. I'll check out the price or put it up on the screen. So if I see it, it's on the board. Nice. We have this secret rare. Wow, and polymerization. Or polymerization in secret rare. That's pretty cool. Though we have so many polymerization, but hey, I guess there's no such thing as too many in Yu-Gi-Oh, I suppose. And we have we got the Blue Eyes Jet Dragon. That's pretty cool. So if you're still building Blue Eyes and need some like a low rarity and it's cheaper, there you go. So definitely, I have a friend of mine actually has Blue Eyes, so I think it'll be good for him. All right, we got our next pack here. So I'm looking for very certain cards in this set, and I think I don't care if it's a low rarity, but definitely I'm looking for MST. It's really weird of all cards, and I'm looking for MST, even though I can already look for them on elsewhere. But yeah, purely pretty memory. That's cool. It's a pretty cute card. Love it. We have the Rinbrim, so it's a striking dragon. That's for the Fallen of Albad's future monster. Yeah, it's pretty dope. You have this guy, the Fallen of Albad's on here. I don't know if you can see it. That's pretty nice. We have the Ultra, I think. Oh no, we have the this is Prismatic? I think this is Prismatic Ultimate. Wow. Alright. Let us continue with the new different. Okay. Wow, another crossout designator. This is my second one I pull, but in super rare. See that? We got the Ultra and Super. Wow. Yay. That's cool. We have the Book of Eclipse in Ultra. Nice. It's always good to have. Guardian Chimera. Oh my god. this is good genetic fusion, and it's really really good with the super poly. Um, yeah, I'm happy that they reprinted this because the original print it's pretty expensive, but now it's better. So I'm glad they did it. So we have the number 38. Wow, nice. Yeah, it's not bad reprint actually because some of the number 38 it's a little bit on the high side, but it's good. Yeah, it's a lot better in reprint. In secret rare though, that's amazing. And we have twin twisters. Okay. Oh wow. I mean it's pretty. Hey, I'll take it. You know. Though I'm looking for MST to be honest with you, but hey, I'll take a look for more MSTs or twin twisters. We have the alternative white dragon. Holy moly. That's pretty cool. Dude, this is amazing. All right. Oops. Jesus. So excited. All right, let's see what I can get. Ghost Mourner. Okay. I mean, I think this is the original art. I don't know. No, this is the alternate art. This is the alternate art of her. Okay. Because there's two versions of this, so. Okay, cool. Super rare. Solemn Strike in super rare. Very nice. I like it. I mean, solemn cards are cheaper now, so there you go. Definitely Konami is promoting track cards. MST! Yay, MST! Oh, yay. Surprisingly, I'm looking for MSTs and I don't even have one, so I just like, hey, I'll take it in Ultra. I'm trying to get a playset of any rarity for MST. Ideally Super or Ultra, so there you go. I'll put this for myself on the side. And another Blue Eyes Jet Dragon. What in the hell's going on? Forbidden Lands. Very good card. Not the super great card, but it's pretty useful. Like it. And ultra rare. Oh, Silent Magician. Silent Swordsman in ultra rare. Nice. It looks pretty cool. Hiya! All right. What's the next card? Ooh, Coral Dragon in Secret Rare. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I don't know if you can see how good it is on camera, but it's like the art is more darker, more bold. So it's really really cool. Nice. All right, Coral Dragon Secret and oh wow. Oh my god, look at that. That's a platinum secret for my friend Purely. Okay, I couldn't see it. It's so pretty. No pun intended, but wow, that's amazing. I think I like of all rarities from this set, definitely Platinum Secrets is like I don't know, just for the shininess, it's just amazing. So there you go. And what do we have? Oh, IP Masquerade in super rare. Very cool. I'm pretty sure it's very good in price. So all right, going for the next pack, baby. Watch another platinum secret. And Gal Nuri is like, oh my god, why? All right, Exosister packs. Wow, that's pretty good. It's a good card for you building Exosister. Pot of Duality. Interesting. Cool reprint, I guess. Oh, Bingo Machine. Let's go. Heck yeah. A friend of mine actually building or has Blue Eyes, and I told him, dude, this card will help you a lot. And yeah, it used to be very expensive back then, so now it's a lot more affordable. Nice. Number 60. Okay, that's cool. Ultra rare. All right. right, what's this one? Ultimate Slayer in Ultra Rare. Wow. Wasn't this like really expensive that time? Because I haven't really paid attention to this card, but isn't this like more of like let me see. Your opponent cannot activate monster effect in response to this activation and send one monster from your extra deck to the graveyard, then target one monster your opponent controls with the same card type. Okay, and basically shuffle it into the. Oh, okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow, that's amazing. Yeah, the Ultra. Oh, another Exosister packs in Prismatic Collector's Rare. Wow. Shiny, baby. That's amazing. Phantasme in Secret Rare. I haven't seen you in a while. Holy moly. That is amazing. I missed you. Oh my god, another alternative, but in Secret Rare? Nice. Heck yeah, boy. Another Phantasmian is super. Jesus Christ, that's amazing. Wow, that's awesome. That is awesome. All right, next pack. Let's go. All right. Oh, okay. Permeable, how do you, I don't know pronounce that, but yeah, this for Tyraments. Wow, that's crazy. After all those years, now we have the reprint. Wow. Okay. You have the Super Ghost Ogre alternate art. Wow, that's cool. Got Super Borderland Dragon in Ultra. Not bad, not bad. What do we got? Oh wow, look at these. So this is the Prismatic Ultimate Rare. Yeah, Prismatic Ultimate Rare. Yeah, I can tell by the look. It's pretty cool though. The way the art is, it kind of pops the character. The dog or the wolf. I don't know which we call it, but very nice. Very nice. Oh, access code talker and ultra rare. Let's go. Heck yeah. Nice. There you go. My first access code from this set. So amazing. All right, what's next? X I think XD, right? XD Encore. Yeah, I think this is a really good card. I think I want to use this for one of my decks. It'll be really useful, I think. But we'll see. Ooh, Secret and Silent Magician. Wow. Very cool. And what do we got here? Secret Rare Peaceful Planet Calarium. I think this is the Manadium deck. Cool Secret Rare. And then we have the Super. Yep. Oliver, the Jester of Despia. Alright. Next pack. Let's do this. Oh, Underworld Goddess of the Close World. Good card, actually. Especially you building a lot to do with Fiend, with links. This is perfect. For example, Dark World is a good deck. And it fits perfectly with this card. So, nice. Nice rarity. Unchained Soul of Rage, or you can play Unchained Soul. It's a good deck as well. Another MST, yes. And I think this is the Prismatic Ultimate. I think. Yeah, I think it is. I mean, unless I'm wrong, just let me know. But wow. That looks amazing. Yes. I don't know if I want to keep this card, but definitely it's a. I'll put it on the side for now, but yes. The next one, Coral Dragon in Ultra Rare. Nice. Another Silent Magician in Ultra this time. Side Frame Lord Omega in Ultra. Interesting reprints. It is a good card though. I think it's like a good generic synchro. Okay, Secret Rare. And I think I see something really, really shiny on the very edge. So it might be something good at the bottom. And we have the IP Masquerina alternate art in secret rare. That's amazing. All right, let's see what we have here. Is this something good? Oh God, look at that. Is it possible it's a quarter century rare? Let's do it. And it's a spell card. Oh, all right. Wow. Another Many field spell. Nice. That's my second one. And Chaos Hunter. Wow, that's a very weird jump scare, but all right. Cool. So here's the second one. Okay, next pack. My friend, yeah, my friend Purely in super rare. Another number 38 in super rare. Oh, wow. There you go. That is awesome. Rescue Rabbit in Ultra. Nice. Good reprint. It's probably just me. It looks like there's like a white line on the card, but I could be wrong. All right, what do we got here? Oh, okay. Trishula. It's a good generic synchro, actually. Pretty nice. All right, what do we got here? Sol and Luna in Ultra Rare. Okay. Oh, I think I skipped it. I think this is the Prismatic Ultimate. Phantasme. Wow. Okay. It's pretty nice how it looks. Heck yeah. Let's see what we got tonight. Solemn Warning in Secret Rare. Whoa. Pretty cool. Okay. Unchained Soul of Rage and Secret. Nice. And Ultimate Slayer in Super Rare. Okay. Hey, I mean, there you go. You want the low rarity or the higher rarity? With the two cards I am looking for. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll check it out when I get a chance. All right. Next pack. All right. Give me another quarter century. Oh, Apollosa in super rare. That's cool. Gold sarcophagus. Okay. Foolish burial. Ultra. Oh, rescue cat in ultra. Nice, nice. Oh, another prismatic ultimate. Wow, holy moly. Look at that. Dragoon in prismatic ultimate rare. Look at how good looks. Jeez. That is cool. It's like it just pops out more. That's pretty cool. Heck yeah. All right, we have the Traptrix Rafflesia in Ultra. Oh, ooh. Oh, this is the Platinum Secret. In Rescue Rabbit. Oh my god, look at how it's popping, man. Heck yeah. Oof, oof. Very cool. Join Locks in Secret. Oh my god. And this is the original art. And we have the Book of Eclipse. Woo, baby. All right. Ooh. Crystal Wing Synchro Dragon in super rare. Good reprints. It's definitely worth getting. All right. Rescue Rabbit in super. Rescue Rabbit. Wow. Rescue Cat. Wow. Back and forth. Back and back. I mean, back to back. That's pretty cool. And this is in Prismatic Collector's Rare. Gee. Okay. What else we got? The Phantom Knights of Break Sword. Okay, in Ultra. Solemn Warning in Ultra. Nice. Pressure Planet Race Soth. Oh my goodness. That's cool. In Ultra. If you're building Kastira, there you go. Oh. Oh, another quarter century. Let's go. Oh, Blue Eyes Spirit Dragon in quarter century. Oh, Lord. Wow. That is cool. Woof. That's amazing. Look at all this shiny. Wow. That's pretty cool. And I'm trying to look for the price too. Like, I mean, I'm pretty sure it's not like crazy a lot, but it's somewhere. And I don't see it right now, but it's probably like under 10 bucks or something. But hey, hey, I'll take it, you know? Another quarter century. And yeah, I can oh yeah, there it is. Wow, 8 bucks. That's pretty good. All right. Secret rare. Wow. Very nice. And Trap Tricks Rafflesia. Oh, nice, nice. Okay. Next pack. Serper Nimble Mega Hamster. Okay, sure. Charge of the Brigade. Oh, okay, ultra rare for Tier Elements Field Spell. Exo Sisters Magnifica. I mean, ultra rare. Nice. Emergency Teleport in it, ultra. And the number 38 again in ultra rare this time. Wow. Let's see. Oh, Service the Ancient and Ascended in Secret. Wow, that's pretty cool. Yeah, nice rarity in this card. And wow, Secret, the Synchro Dragon, Sidekick and Punisher in Super. Okay. All right, what do we get at this time? Another Phantom Knight, Silent Magician in Super, Book of Moon in Ultra. Okay. Okay, Light of the Charge of the Light Brigade. We have oh okay. This is the Prismatic Collector's Rare for Unchained Soul of Rage. Not too shabby. I think the ultimate might be more better, but it's pretty good. Not bad, not bad. Wow, I'm getting a lot of Rescue Cat. We got the Rescue Cat alternate art in ultra rare. That's cute. Secret rare Abyss Dweller. Oh, oh, what is this? This must be platinum. I think it's another platinum. Ooh, oof. Oh, Traptrix Rafflesia Imp Plasma Platinum Secret. Oof, wow. That is amazing. Wow. And especially in the XC monster, it's so good. Just amazing. Wow, that's so cool. And we have the Lightsworn Hunter in Super. That is very cool. Forgot to sleeve this one. Alright. The next pack. I just need one more MST. That's... And I don't care what the rarity is. Anti-spell fragrance, okay. Why? But okay. Rescue Cat in Super. Ooh, IP Masquerena in Ultra. I think I pulled this already, but yeah, nice. Blue Eyes Jet Dragon in Ultra. Wow, Blue Eyes Alternative White Dragon in Ultra. That's pretty cool. Nice. I'm pretty sure it's like under $1, you know? I'm pretty sure after the reprint, it's not a lot anymore. Alright. What's this one now? Illusion of Chaos. Heck yeah. Nice. Yeah, if you're building blue like spellcaster or just dark magician in general, I don't know why it's not focusing. There you go. Yeah, it's amazing. It's a really good card to use. Oh, okay. Blue Eyes Spirit Dragon in Secret. Very cool. What do we have this one? Okay. Ghost Mourner and Moonlit Chill. In Secret Rare. Another bingo machine. Go. In Super Rare. Alright. Next pack. See what I can get. Book of Moon. Okay. Trishula. Ghost Ogre. Alternate Arts and Ultra Rare. Oh. Oh, excuse me. We have the Prismatic Collector's Rare for Rescue Rabbit. Nice. Very cool. What is this one? Another Draw and Lock, an Ultra Rare. Woof. Oh my god, Draw and Lock again in alternate? What the heck? That's a crazy pull. That's crazy. And they're both in Ultra. Hieratic Seal of the Heavenly Spears in Secret. Masquerade the Blazing Dragon. It's been pretty good for Despia. And Foolish Barrow in Super. Alright, next pack. Alright, what we can get? Cerberus. I might miss the pronunciation, so I apologize for that. Super rare. Polymerization in Super. Cool. We have the Striking Dragon in Ultra Rare. Another Crossout Detonator. Wow, I just made a playset. Very cool. Another Masquerade. Oh, purely in Ultra. That's so cool. Oh, what's this one? Another purely in Secret. What the? That is cool. That's so cool. This is Secret and I got an Ultra. That's crazy. Oh, just cute. That's really cute. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, this is something. What can we get? What are we getting? Whoa! This is quarter century this time. Wow, Ghost Ogre in quarter century. And this is alternate art too. Oh boy, look at that. Oh my god, that is amazing. That is so cool. And XZ and Encore. Woo! I don't know how much he is, but hey, there you go. Pretty sure it's not a lot. But yeah, that's pretty cool. We got a couple more left. So we're getting there. Okay, got a Kashtira Field Spell for Super. Skill Dragon Super, that's really nice. Polymerization Ultra, that's cool. Hieratic Seal in Ultra, alright. Underworld Goddess in Ultra, nice. Yeah, it's always a good card. Alright, what do we have? Oh, this is definitely Prismatic Ultimate. Or no, Prismatic Collector's Rare. So let's see what we got. Phantasme. Alright. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. That's all I can say, but I sure do miss Phantasme. It's a pretty cool card. Book of Eclipse in Secret. Exion Core in Secret. And Solemn Warning in Super Rare. Nice. Did I pull another Phantasman in here? I did. No, not. It's a different one. One is Ultimate, one is the Collector's Rare. Nice. Alright. Next pack. Ooh, Solemn Judgment in Super Rare. Cool. We have the Omega in Super. DD Crow in Ultra. That's a good card. Very good card. Oh. Ooh, okay. We have the Prismatic Ultimate for the Castira Field spell. Wow, that's pretty amazing. I can see the characters are popped more. That is amazing. We have the Abyss Dweller in Ultra. We have the Lightsworn Hunter in Ultra. Oh, wait. This could be. Is this quarter century? No. No, this is the what is this? Oh, Platinum Secret. Duh. Wow, okay. I was like, what is it called? Wow, Platinum Secret for Masquerade. Amazing card. It looks really cool. The shine. Ghost Ogre alternate art. That's cool. And another Masquerading Super. Jeez. What is happening with these guys? Alright. Let's get the two more packs. We got two more packs to open. Got a Cosmic Cyclone and Super. Garura. Nice reprint. I love this card. And it's in Super. Skullmeister. Pretty, I don't know, I would say underrated. Hand Traps. It's a good card. I mean, it shouldn't be overrated either, but it's pretty decent. Abomination's Prison in Ultra. Nice. Ghost Mourner in Ultra. What do we get? Okay. Enemy Controller in Ultra. Interesting reprint. Oh, we get something. I can see the little sprinkles on it. Oh, it's a spell card, I see. And I think this is a quarter century. Oh, Bingo Machine. Holy moly. No way. Another quarter century. But this is Bingo Machine. Oh, lordy common. Wow. That's pretty cool. Jeez. Yeah, it's a really cool card too. I mean, you definitely need it when you're building Blue Eyes. I think it's just, well, now that it's cheaper, it's a must. You know, it's like, hey, it's cheaper, you gotta get it, kind of thing. So, that's pretty cool. Phantom Knights, and then Primitive Planet Rage Phobia. I think that's how you pronounce it. Heck yeah. All right. Last pack. I'm gonna give a little bit of this and give it a little spank, and hopefully you get something good. Another quarter century, perhaps. That would be amazing if he does. Can we get it though? Mind Control, Super rare. Coral Dragon is super. Oh, this is cool. Wow. Prismatic Ultimate Rare. Oh my god, this is amazing. So all the characters in the card popped like a 3D. That is so cool. Very cool. Gold Sarcophagus in Ultra. Another Apollosa in Ultra. Wow. Oh, another one? Twin Twisters in Prismatic Ultimate. Jeez, okay. That is amazing. Very cool. Another Dragoon and in Secret. What the? Jeez, that's crazy. Oh, it's not hard to pull Dragoon anymore. Wow. Alright. I got a Secret. TG Hyper Librarian. It's a pretty good card, I think. And then last is a Super. Magician's Soul. No kidding. What? Really? After all these and I pull one Magician's Souls? Man. Alright, I mean, I'll take it, I guess. Hey, here you go.